Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email us Team Mosso at the1916company.com for all of your purchase pricing and availability questions regarding this watch. Sinn of Frankfurt, Germany, is known for making watches destined for customs enforcement officers, pilots, military personnel, firefighters, but there is also a softer side of Sinn, as it is a Frankfurt company. The watches are made in Frankfurt, and Frankfurt is also the financial capital of mainland Europe. So this pays tribute to that association with the city of Frankfurt itself and its headlining industry. So this is the 6012 Frankfurt Financial District watch. It's a triple calendar, a moon phase, and a chronograph in steel, 41.5 millimeters in diameter, 14.7 millimeters thick from lug tip to lug tip, just the case. It is 48.5 millimeters. If we add the end link of the bracelet, then the total rigid distance across the wrist is a larger 54.7 with a 22 millimeter spacing between the lugs. We'll throw it on my wrist. My wrist is 16 centimeters in circumference. The watch is big, but it wears well. I'd say if your wrist is my size or larger, you can wear this. So 16 centimeters circumference and up, this is your watch. Now, it's not too thick, but it's also not particularly sloped or stepped, so it'll fit underneath just about all dress cuffs, but certainly all jacket sleeves. Taking a look down the barrel, that's always the truest angle for fit. Over the top always exaggerates the width of the watch. The bracelet's a handsome one. As you can see, we have a little bit of taper as we move down from the conforming end link. We have satin and polish. It's a 5-link design that has a little bit of an offset or a diagonal slant to the flanking links. And then you can see in profile, Sinn uses hex screws rather than flatheads because they can take more torque and they're less likely to strip out and get stranded in the links. So the removable links are fixed with hex screws, which I always love to see. You can also see that the links are standard sized, but also intermediate in case you find yourself in between sizes, and there's an intermediate on each side. We have a double folding clasp. It's a fairly standard piece right here. You can see double folding, Sinn logo externally, forgive the fingerprints. Twin trigger release, so you have to press both triggers for this to pop open. It will not open inadvertently. The watch is still fairly sporting, being steel automatic winding, well loomed, and 100 meters water resistant. So while it is more of a style-oriented Sinn timepiece dedicated to a white-collar trade, nevertheless, it's still pretty sporty. When you turn the lights out, you can see that the watch is well loomed. You can absolutely swim with this watch, no reservations there. You have a triple calendar, and that includes a radial style date. There's also a chronograph. This uses Sinn's SZ06 movement, which is a modification of a Concepto version of a 7750, and we'll talk about that in a moment. You can see here we have a 60-minute register for the chronograph rather than 30. That's one of the changes Sinn made. You can also see it's a semi-instantaneous jump. Now we've got hacking or stop seconds, but we've also got two different quick-set modes. Let me get us into quick-set mode here. Okay, so one quick-set, when you turn clockwise, adjusts the moon phase display at 6 o'clock, and then the other one, assuming you get the watch in its proper quick-set position, the other one adjusts the date as well as the month. So that's how that works. There is a pusher adjuster that allows you to make changes without a tool to the day of the week. Because this is a simple calendar, it'll have to be adjusted only 5 times per year. Not too much of a chore. This is a German watch that gives you a lot of capability. So the 7750, which has roots as a Venus manual wind movement, but the 7750 has been around so long that anyone can make their version of it legally. And so what we have here is a Concepto-built version of the ageless 7750. You can see the skyline of Frankfurt, Germany, and a reference to the finance plots. This is the financial watch and the financial industry or financial district watch. That's what that says. So unidirectional automatic winding, 42-hour power reserve, 4 hertz beat rate. You can see that it features Concepto's unique eccentric screw regulator. You could see the C on the base plate or the design of that regulator. That's how you know it's the Concepto reason. You can also appreciate the use of Edicron for fine timing and beat error corrections. The watch features high grade of finishing. Although it's machine applied, it's also extremely attractive. You can see a 26 jewel execution. The watch features a fully polished cam, stripes on rotor as well as primary bridges, polished springs, engine turning on the base plate. Very attractive overall. The cam system is fairly well tuned as well. It's as crisp as most column wheel chronographs, so it has no deficiency in that regard. You can also see that the oscillating pinion clutch and its distinctive wire spring have been retained. And the nice thing about an oscillating pinion is that when you start up an oscillating pinion chronograph, there's almost no jump, there's no extraneous movement, because the oscillating pinion has so little inherent play that although it's a lateral clutch, it doesn't jump like a conventional lateral clutch. So it's a really smooth and precise engagement, very similar to a vertical clutch. If you love this watch, reach out to us, Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.